The L'Oréal Revitalift Filler 2.5% Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum is a powerful solution for hydrating and plumping the delicate skin around your eyes. In this video, we'll be sharing how to use this eye serum properly, along with some important do's and don'ts. The L'Oréal Revitalift Filler 2.5% Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum is specifically formulated to target fine lines, wrinkles, and puffiness around the eyes. With a potent concentration of hyaluronic acid combined with caffeine and a cooling applicator, this serum works to deeply hydrate, smooth, and refresh the eye area. It's suitable for all skin types and is designed to visibly reduce signs of aging around the eyes. The key ingredients in the eye serum are 2.5% hyaluronic acid, which is a powerful humectant that draws moisture into the skin, providing deep hydration and helping to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. Next, we have caffeine, known for its ability to reduce puffiness and dark circles, giving the eye area a more refreshed appearance. The eye serum has a metal tip applicator that provides a cooling effect, helping to soothe and depuff the under eye area. The serum is light and absorbs quickly, making it suitable for all skin types. Here's how to use the eye serum in your morning and evening skincare routine. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. At nighttime, do a double cleanse. Make sure the eye area is cleansed and free from oils, makeup, and dirt. Prepare the applicator by gently squeezing the tube to dispense a small amount of serum onto the cooling applicator. Using the cooling applicator, apply the serum around the eye contour, focusing on the under eye area and crow's feet. Gently massage the serum into the skin using circular motions, starting from the inner corner of the eyes and moving outward. For an added cooling effect, lightly press the applicator tip onto areas with puffiness. After applying the eye serum, follow with your regular skincare routine. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using L'Oréal Revitalift Filler 2.5% Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum. Do use it twice daily in your morning and evening skincare routines for best results. Do apply gently around the eye area, using the cooling applicator to help soothe and depuff. Don't use too much product. A small amount is sufficient to cover both eyes. The L'Oréal Revitalift Filler 2.5% Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering numerous benefits for hydration, plumping, and reducing puffiness around the eyes. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more youthful, refreshed, and brightened eye area. If you want to learn more about reducing fine lines and wrinkles, check out these videos here. Next,